What's up, graphic designers? In today's class, we're going to be continuing creating these holiday buttons, ornaments, fun little gifts for our friends and loved ones. And so here's what I know. I love Seth's epic Salamence. Is that a thing? But listen, everybody, after you desaturate, you have to apply levels. We want the lights to be light, darks to be dark, as we have here with Sahara. Well done. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to use this button template, because right now this won't be amazing because we want to extend it beyond the edge of the face line. Also, I can't help but notice it says write your name here in the upper left hand corner. You guys are always going to put your name in the file name as we have here. So, I'm going to pause and I'm going to talk about Parker. So, Parker's, I actually like this visual, except that unfortunately 2023 is too close to the perimeter of the circle, and as a result, when we create the buttons, that 23 is going to extend beyond the face line, so only 20, the first two digits, will be visible. You'll see what that means in a second. Jack, this looks awesome, man. In fact, I want to come back to this in a little bit. Nathaniel, you have to desaturate and apply levels. Charlie, this looks like fun. You got to put 2023 in there. We got Optimus Prime. Okay, Keith. Listen, Keith, we're going to see KN, but we will not see 2023. Josh is off to a great start. I would love to see a little bit of colors. Jake, I love that you're contributing to this project. This is mad scary. Adam, I love your visual. Max, if you did this, super cute. I like this. Harris, this is actually A++ work right here. I recognize he remembered to hide the face line. I'm going to talk about what that means in a minute. Thank you, Grayson. Synroll button. I'm not sure what that is. Aiden, this looks cool. Adam, I like this, man. This is cool. So let's talk about how we're going to use this for this project. So let's grab Jax. Why not? All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to press Command Control Shift 4, and what that's going to do is that's going to copy a screenshot to the clipboard. So when I go into Photoshop and we open up this button template, I can press Command V. And there we go. I'm going to press Command T. I'm going to shrink this down like so. And actually what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to pause before I do anything else. I want to get an environment for this creeper. All right, so to do that, I'm going to hop on this other browser. Where is so many? I think it was in Safari. Oh, okay, here it is. So for a lot of browsers, what we can do, or a lot of images rather, we can just simply go in, we can right click, and then we can copy image. And I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to return to Photoshop, Command V, Command T. We're going to increase the size. You guys, this is old school. I know that you guys know how to do that, but let's say there's another image that you wanted to get that you can't copy and paste. So for example, here, Vecteezy, right click, we can copy image, but it's super low res. When I left click to increase the size, unfortunately, we cannot right click on this, but we can, however, do, I'm going to find a background for our creeper. All right, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to press Command Control Shift 4, and again, that's going to copy an image of the screen and send it to the clipboard. I'm going to press Command V, and there we go. That looks pretty cool all of a sudden. I'm going to reduce the size, and we're going to drop this image behind the creeper. I'm going to bring the creeper to the top. And like always, what we're going to do is we're going to use the Object Selection tool. I'm on the creeper layer, and I'm just going to, let's use the rectangle selection method. It's going to create a selection, and that was not amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click once more, and let's keep our fingers crossed. That sadly did not get everything. You're going to make sure that includes everything. I'm going to click this selection, add to function, click, 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 and it looks like that got just about everything. All right. We're going to click the, what Nora likes to describe as the Japanese flag, and we're going to have to roll with this for right now. All right. So here is what I know. I know that this looks cool. I'm going to shift this around. We've got it in the background, and I need you guys to recognize that the this layer, and I'm going to check out the layers palette, it says put images under this layer. So I'm going to put the environment under that layer. I'm going to put the mine creeper, or the creeper itself, under that layer, because here's why. Everything beyond what we're going to call the face line, and I'm going to flicker it so you can see it a little bit more easily. This line that I'm flickering, that's the face line. Everything inside is in the front of the button itself. Everything beyond it wraps around the back. So when we add a little bit of text, so I'm going to write 2023. You guys are going to write 2023. I'm going to press check to confirm. I'm going to click effects. We're going to do, let's do a drop shadow. And all right, we're going to have something that looks a little bit like this. That looks great. We're going to make sure that it's inside the face line, because if it's outside, if you put it like right here, only the 2 and a fraction of the O will be visible. I would encourage you to individualize the buttons for your recipients. And then when you're done, you're going to simply hide the face line at the top. You're going to write your name. So if this is Jack, Jack's going to write his name right here. We can't see it because it's beneath that layer, but all of a sudden, there we go. Okay, I know that you guys know how to do that. I'm going to press check to confirm. This is amazing. All right, I like this. You like this. And I'm going to show you one other option for possible things that we could do today, and then I'm going to give you more examples of things we can do in subsequent classes. So some of you guys were taking selfies on my phone. And I was actually taking selfies on my phone. So here we got, oh, this would actually be a fun image, but I'm going to go here. There's me and my son, Caleb. What's up, Caleb? And then we got Zohara, I think. Zoe took this like a couple of years ago. We were all rocking masks, except for Zoe. Everyone's wearing, there's Zach wearing a mask. There's August wearing a mask. And then here we got these knuckleheads right here. And you know what? I think these guys would make a lovely button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Command A, Command C, and then I'm going to go to the button template, and it's right here. I'm going to press Command V. I'm going to press Command minus to zoom out, and I can see, wow, this is like a super huge image. And sadly, these guys are not on the same eye level, so we just have to pick one. And I'm actually going to change my mind. I'm going to choose neither. So you're going to want to like a selfie that looks a little bit like this, and here's why. I'm going to press Command V. Sadiq Parker, you guys are the best. Command T. I actually took this last summer when my son Caleb was doing a basketball camp and over by Wall Street. This was a nice image. All right, so you're probably thinking, all right, Drost, that's cool. That's all well and good. What happens next? Oh, great question. Well, this photo was taken in July. We're going to want to give it a little bit of a holiday feel. I'm going to use a paint bucket. I'm going to left click. You're probably thinking, what, Drost? That's weird. I'm going to apply a layer mask. And we're going to blacken the foreground. I'm going to press B for brush. I'm going to right click. And we're going to find a fun brush. You're probably thinking, what? Why? Why would you even do that? And so I'm just randomly looking for brush right now. Because, let's go. Because once we get a brush and we're masking out this inside area right here, I'm going to actually hide the face line. All of a sudden, it looks like, not that it's sweltering July heat. Instead, it looks like we're in the middle of a blizzard snowstorm. This looks kind of cool. I'm going to decrease the size of me and Caleb. Oh, what a sweet photo. And then what you can do is you can write freaking, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, whatever suits your fancy, and you're going to experiment with the different brushes. So you're going to come up with something that looks a little bit better than this. You're going to use some of the holiday photos that Christy's taking in the front of the room. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to make sure you write your name upper left hand corner. You're going to hide the face line, submit as JPEG. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.